there! Welcome back. Today, we're creating a super cool and colorful Polygon echo loop right inside After Effects. It looks impressive, but it's actually pretty easy to make. I'll walk you through everything step by step. All right, let's jump in. Start by creating a new composition and set its duration to 10 seconds. Next, select the Polygon tool from the Shape Tools menu. By double-clicking the tool, After Effects automatically adds a centered polygon shape layer to the composition. Within the polygon shape layer settings, decrease the outer radius parameter to adjust the polygon's overall size. The number of sides can be modified by changing the points value accordingly. To achieve rounded edges, open the Add drop-down menu and select Round Corners. Modify the roundness parameter to smooth the polygon's corners as required, enhancing the visual appeal of the shape. All right, let's make it just an outline, no fill. Deactivate the eye icon next to fill and ensure that stroke is enabled. This will render only the outline of the shape. You can then fine-tune the appearance by adjusting the stroke width parameter to control the thickness of the borderline, achieving the desired visual style. Time to animate. Click on your shape layer and press the S key to bring up the scale option. At the start of the timeline, set the scale to 0. Then move to the 5-second mark and change it to 1000. Now, when you play it back, you'll see the polygon smoothly grow and zoom out of the scene. Let's also animate the rotation. Select the shape layer and press R to open the rotation property. Set the first keyframe at 0 degrees, then go to 5 seconds and set it to 90 degrees. Now the shape will spin while it grows. From the Effects and Presets panel, find the Transform effect and drag it onto your shape layer. We're going to animate the opacity here, not the layer's main one, but the one inside the effect. At the start of the timeline, set it to 0, then move just a bit forward, maybe to 1 second, or even 15 frames, and set it to 100. Now it fades in nicely before scaling and rotating. Right-click on the Scale keyframes and choose Keyframe Assistant Exponential Scale. That makes the growing motion look a lot more natural. Now let's add some magic, search for the echo effect and apply it to the layer. Increase the echo time a bit to space out the duplicates, then bump up the number of echoes to make more copies trail behind your shape. This technique is ideal for stylized loop animations. Now, select the shape layer and drag it 5 seconds back on the timeline. This way, the echo trail is already visible when the animation starts. It doesn't begin with just one shape. Looks more complete now. Now, create a new solid layer. Then search for 4 color gradient in the Effects and Presets panel and apply it to the solid. Now, here's the trick. Since we'll be rotating the background later, we need to make sure it's big enough to fill the screen even when turned. So when creating the solid, set the size larger than the comp, like 150% or more. This way, the edges won't get cut off when it rotates. Select the gradient solid layer and press R for rotation. At the beginning 0 seconds, set the rotation to 0 degrees. Then move to 10 seconds and set it to 3 full rotations. Now the gradient layer spins. To mask the gradient colors within the echo shapes, place the gradient solid layer directly beneath the animated shape layer in the timeline. Set the gradient layer's track matte mode to alpha matty, using the shape's alpha channel as a mask. Then, create a new dark-colored solid and position it at the bottom of the layer stack as a clean, minimal background. Then, apply the glow effect to the gradient layer. To unify and enhance the overall composition, create an adjustment layer and position it at the top of the layer stack. Apply the glow effect to the adjustment layer and increase the glow radius to achieve a smoother, more cinematic bloom across all elements. Optionally, add a noise effect with a low value, for example, 3 to 6% to introduce slight texture and break digital flatness. Want to try something different? Just change the points value in your polygon shape settings. More sides give you smoother shapes, fewer sides give you more bold and edgy looks. Try 4, 5, or even 7 sides and see how it changes the whole animation. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed creating this colorful polygon echo loop in After Effects. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.